In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use EBT card at register. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you a general overview of how to properly use your SNAP EBT card during checkout. This is going to apply for most states. Of course, be aware of the limitations on your own state and do your own research. But to start, be aware of what you can and cannot purchase using your SNAP EBT card. You will only be able to purchase eligible items. These are going to include, but they are not limited to, breads and cereals, fruits and vegetables, meats, fish and poultry, and dairy. Of course, there are a lot of other things that you can purchase, and this is all going to depend on your specific state, but overall, it is going to remain the same. So once you are aware of what you can and cannot purchase, you can go over to any eligible location and use your SNAP EBT card when you proceed to checkout. So gather all of the eligible items, and when you reach checkout, it is usually best to let the cashier know that you are using an EBT card, so inform them that you are using a SNAP EBT card. Now, usually you will be able to either swipe or insert your EBT card on the card register, one like this, and if the cashier asks for your card, just give them your card and they will be able to swipe the card for you. Once the card is used on any of these card registers, you will be able to see the amount, see your balance, and of course, confirm that purchase. And as long as you use the SNAP EBT card on any eligible location through the card register, you will be good to go. You will have to enter your PIN, so the PIN is the secret code that you created, and it confirms this purchase on this card register. Verify the amount, make sure that you are not being overcharged and that everything was included, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card at register. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.